Hello, welcome to Hammer Time Happy Hour. Cheers. On the workbench here today, as you can see, are a few pieces of armor. It's currently a 13th century helmet, disassembled. I'm going to show you now how I put all the final rivets in and get it all put together.
First things first.
Second thing second. Before I can start riveting everything together and putting it in its final positions, I assemble it with nuts and bolts. Oh.
Good thing you make sturdy armor.
Yeah, it'll bust right out. Good as new.
Uh-oh.
I lost my tool.
Better go find it. It's not one of those.
It usually lives on the workbench.
What is it?
Scratch all.
We found it.
Found it. All right. I think we're ready for riveting now. I'm going to be using roofing nails for my rivets. They have a larger head diameter than other mass-produced ones that I sometimes use. But what I also do is I usually anneal the roofing nails because they wind up being a little bit harder than regular mild steel.
One.
And this is what you do. The holes don't line up. You make them.
Guess they line up now.
You know, I wonder if I had a tool that did both of these things at the same time. Well, or in one tool. I think I do.
Look at that. Why haven't you been using that the whole time?
It works, but not as great.
It's a bad advertisement.
I know.
Steve, we gotta help him.
All right, with the last few rivets there done on this great helm, I got this finished up. All I gotta do is put the chin straps on both the under cap and this helmet, but sadly, my drink's almost gone. Oh, a few people have been asking about glassware. That should be new in the shop here soon. So please check it out if you're interested. Until next time, cheers.
Are you ready?
You put it from my hand, is it?
Yeah, so you're not stiff and look like a robot when we start.
Okay.
He's not a robot. Or is he?
And pointy things. So next thing, guys, cheers. I didn't say next time. I said next time. As you can see, it's bits of armors, or a bit of armor in pieces. There's a 13th century helmet that I'm now going to assemble.